Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the most insightful, hands-on reviews. In today's video, we're looking at what we believe is the best backpack pencil case on the market right now, the crawing large capacity pencil case in green. It's not just a pencil pouch, it's a mini backpack packed with utility, versatility, and aesthetic charm. Whether you're a student, artist, or someone who just loves to stay organized, you'll want to stick around. At first glance, the crawing pencil case looks just like a tiny backpack, and that's part of its charm. The standout design features 5 separate layers or compartments, giving it an organized, sectioned feel rather than just one big empty space. On the top and back, you'll notice reinforced handles, one for carrying by hand, and the other for attaching it to a larger backpack using the included metal buckle. It's a clever blend of portability and style. Let's talk about space. This pencil case measures 7.1 by 5.4 by 3.6 inches, and don't let its compact look fool you. It can hold up to 75 markers or 90 pencils. That's right, 90 pencils. Plus, there's still room left over for sticky notes, scissors, erasers, and even tape. A dedicated mesh zipper pocket secures your smaller items. And if you're the kind who likes carrying extra tools, it can easily accommodate calculators, staplers, and small rulers. It's essentially a portable supply drawer. What makes this more than just a pencil case is its multifunctionality. It doubles up as a travel organizer for cosmetics or tech accessories like phone chargers, headphones, or even compact tools. Planning a trip or heading to work? This can act as a small, reliable travel companion. Students will love it for school. Creatives will adore it for storing markers and craft tools. It bridges the gap between cute and practical seamlessly. The crawling mini backpack pencil case is made of a high-quality blend of nylon and soft knit fabric. The stitching is neat, and the zippers glide effortlessly. It's water-resistant and scratch-resistant, a huge plus for those carrying it around in different environments. Whether it's being tossed into a school bag or packed for a weekend art trip, this pencil case is made to withstand the hustle. It's hard not to love a product that offers both style and substance. With its playful yet thoughtful design, large storage capacity, and multifunctional use, the crawling pencil case is a winner. It also makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or back-to-school seasons. Perfect for kids, teens, and even adults who enjoy keeping their gear tidy and accessible. So if you're in the market for the best backpack pencil case, the crawling mini backpack pencil case is our top pick. Check it out, link in the description. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product critiques coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.